Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. So today we are here for grade 4 maths. The chapter today we discuss that is add and subtract the fractions with unlike denominators. Here are the list of the lesson. The first lesson today we discuss that is compare sums and difference of unit fractions. Add up to 4 fractions with denominators of 10 and 100. Add and subtract the fractions with denominator of 10, 100 and thousands. Add 3 or more fractions with unlike denominators. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudent.com. You have to log in by using their email and passwords that are provided by the administrator. Go to the subject tab, select maths from there. Scroll down to the grade 4. View all chapters. Here are the list of the chapters. So we are on this one, that is add and subtract fractions with unlike denominators. Continue this, and then the lesson which we covered, which we start today, that is compare sums and difference of units fraction. Let's get started. So here it's written like this is the same lesson as above we have already done. Compare the sums of the unit fractions and all that things. Okay, let's do this one. Again, it's just a practice for that. Okay. So here the lesson which already we covered in the previous class. So you guys check it out, this one. Okay. Add up to 4 fractions with denominators of 10 and 100. Let's do this one. So which of the following expression equals to 78 over 100? Okay. So we are just going to rewrite 7 by 10 with the denominator of 100. First of all, with the denominator of 100, with the denominator of tens, we are going to write it down like this way. So how can we write it 78 over 100 as a sum of this? Because look at here, this is 78 over 100. This is 78 over 100. It means that the denominator of these both are same. Like here is the 100 and plus here is the 100. So which two numbers putting up here, then you get the answer 78. It means that if one is 7, then the other 70 and the other is 8. That is the thing. So we are just going to put it here, it's 70 and here it's 8. Then by using this, we are just going to put only one denominator here and put adding 70 plus 8. This is 78 over 100. Okay. So now, for example, here is a 45 over 10. Okay. What does it mean? It means that the denominator of both of it is 10. What you gonna put it here? It means that 40 plus 5, or you can say that 30 plus 15, or you can say that 20 plus 25, any number that is in your mind. So the easiest number is you're going to put 40 and then 5. Okay. And when you're going to solve it, putting 110 here, now it's addition 40 plus 5 and then it's 45 over 10, and then you get the same answer back to the 45 over 10. Okay, all right, let's do the next. For example, let's take some questions from here. 62 over 100. For example, if some number is like 10 over 100. Okay, so how can we solve it? First, denominator is given because it's 100. Then it's 100 here. It's 10 on the top, so it means that 5 and 5. Look, putting one denominator, adding their top numbers, 5 plus 5, that is 10 over 100. This is the way, that is 5 by 100 and 5 by 100. Okay, let's do one more question. For example, here is the 75 over 10. So as we know that 10 and 10, the denominators are same, and on the top we are putting 70 and 5. This becomes 10 is only one here, 70 plus 5. This is 75 over 10. Okay, that is a 75 over 10. This is the way that we get it. 70 over 10 and 5 by 10. So 10 is the same. This is 70 plus 5, and then we're going to solve this. Let's do the test questions now. Which of the following expression equals to 63 by 100? Let's solve it, okay? So here it's 63 by 100. One is shown. Oh, these both options. Here it's 60, okay? I think. Let me just tell you this one. 63 by 100. The one way, but look at here the question. This is 6 by 10 and 3 by 10. Okay? In the question, they are saying that 6 by 10, 3 by 10. This is not 6 by 10 and 3 by 100. How we can say that this is the right option? Look, if you're gonna put it, first of all, as we know that the answer of this is here you put 100 and then here you put 100. Here you put 60 and then it becomes 3. Then the answer is 63 by 100. But the options are given, which is a different one, like 6 by 10 and 3 by 100. How we can say that this is equal? This is equal like this way. We are multiplying 6 by 10 with both the numbers with 10. So 6 times 10, then 10 times 10, and plus 3 by 100. Let's solve it. 60 over 100 plus 3 over 100. And then here it's 100. 60 plus 3, then you get the answer 63 by 100. So we can say that 6 by 10 and 3 by 100 is also the answer. 6 by 10 and 3 by 100. So now, which of the following expression equal 89 over 100 here? Again the same thing. 8 over 10 and 9 over 100. Okay. Okay, now you guys tell me the answer of this one. 33 over 100. Solve it and then tell me. 33 over 100. Let's solve together. 33 over 100. Solve this, everyone, and then tell me the answer in the chat. 33 over 100. So it means that you are going to put 3 over 30 over 100 one way. Let me just tell you. And 3 over 100. Then you get the answer 33 by 100. This is the one way. But if the when we see the options, is there any option for this 30 by 100 or 3 by 100? No. So the other way, we already know it. What we do? We are just going to split up into 3 by 10 plus 3 by 100. How we can say that these are equal? You are going to multiply and divide both the numbers with 10. This is 30 by, here it's already 10, 100 plus 3 by 100. Okay, putting 100 here. Now 30 plus 3, that is 33 over 100. So this is the answer, 30 by 3 by 10 and 3 by 100. Let's see, 3 by 10 and 3 by 100. Yes, it's given. Okay, this is the way that we get it. Which of the following expression equals to 24 by 100? Now you guys solve it and then tell me the answer. 24 over 100. Everyone solve this one. First of all, convert it and then tell me the answer. How can we do it? If you are about it 2 by 10 and 4 by 100, it's all up to you. Putting 2 by 10 and 4 by 100, then multiplying 2 by 10 with 10. So 2 times 10 is 20, 10 times 10 is 100, and 4 by 100, then you get the answer 4 by 24 by 100. Okay, so it's 2 by 10 and 4 by 100. Like which way? Like this. Okay, multiply with the 10 and divide with the 10. Then 4 by 100, 20 over 100 plus 4 over 100. When you're going to solve 20 plus 4, this is 24 over 100. So what is the answer that you get it? This one, 2 by 10, 4 by 100. Sorry, this one, 2 by 10 and 4 by 100. Which of the following expression equals to 77 over 100? It's 7 by 10 and 7 by 100. Okay, same thing as we have done before. Hope you guys understand this lesson. Let's discuss the next one. Okay, solve the rest of the test question regarding this lesson by yourself. Add and subtract the fractions with denominator of 10, 100 and thousands. 4 by 10, 11 by 100 equals to, what is the answer of this? Okay, 4 by 10 and 11 by 100. Now here the question is given, you are going to just put the answer. 4 by 10 and 11 and 11 by 100. 11 by 100. We already know it. First of all, we make the denominators equal. So how it becomes equal? Multiplying and dividing with 10. Multiplying and dividing with 10. Okay, 4 times 10 is 40, 10 times 10 is 100. Then 11 over 100. Now putting only one denominator here, that is 100. Adding Their top numbers 40 plus 11, that is 51 over 100. Understand this thing? You are just going to, first of all, we make the denominators equal. So how the denominators become equal? We are putting this 10 equals to 10, 100. So how it becomes equals to 100? Just multiplying and dividing the same digit. So we are multiply and divide the 10 on both sides, on the top as well as on the bottom. In this way we are getting the answer. Let's discuss the next. 7 by 10 plus 12 by 100. 7 by 10 plus 12 by 100. Okay. Now we make the denominators equals to 100. So what we do? Just multiplying and dividing with 10. So how it becomes equal? 7 times 10 is 70. 10 times 10 is 100 plus 12 by 100. Okay. Now these both are same. Just putting only 100 here. Adding their top numbers 70 plus 12, that is 82 over 100. And now this is your answer. This is the way that you need to solve. If you just make this equals and this one equals, denominators equal. So for basically using this technique, that are multiplying and divide the 10 with both of it. In most of the questions, mostly questions, you're just going to multiply with the 10. Okay. Now 6 by 100, 9 by 10. 6 by 100 plus 9 by 10. So 6 by 100 is the same here. Now just using this 9 by 10. So multiply with the 10 and divide with the 10. Okay. So 6 by 100 is same here. 9 times 10 is 90. 10 times 10 is 100. Putting 100 here. 6 plus 90. Then 96 over 100. This is the way that you need to do it in this question. Now let's discuss the test questions. So 1 by 10 plus 22 by 100. Let's solve this one, okay? One by 10 plus 22 by 100. So everyone solve this question and then tell me the answer. Everyone tell me the answer in the chat. Everyone solve this question. Solve this question on your notebooks and then just tell me the answer in the chat. I'm waiting. Just simply multiplying and dividing with which number? 10 or 100? Which number you're going to multiply and divide with 1 by 10? That is, so multiplying and dividing 1 by 10 with the 10. I also gave you this hint as well. So 10 times 1 is 10 and 10 times 10 is 100. Now look, the denominators, both the denominators become same. So just putting only one denominator and adding there only numerators. Then what's the answer you got it? I think you all don't won't get it. Let me just write it here. 1 time 10, 10 times 10 plus 22 over 100 as it is. 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 10 is 100 plus 22 by 100. So here you're gonna put it 100, adding their top numbers only. 22 plus 10, that is 32 over 100, and this is your answer. So it's 32. 100 is same here. This is the right answer. Okay. 3 by 10, 65 by 100. Everyone solve this one. Try to solve this one, everyone. Multiplying and divide 3 by 10 with the 10 to make the denominator equals to 100. So multiplying 3 by 10 with the 10, the top answer is 30, the bottom answer is 100. So 30 by 100. Now putting only one denominator and adding their numerators. Like this way we are going to write. So let's do it. So here just simply putting, that is your answer. Okay, it's 95. Let's do it with it. Yes, here is the answer. Okay, so solve the rest of the test questions by yourself. Hope you guys understand this lesson as well. Let's start the next lesson. Okay, so we have done addition up to 4 fractions with denominators of 10 and 100. Add and subtract the fractions with denominator of 10, 100 and thousands. Now add 3 or more fractions with unlike denominators. So here is 1 by 6 plus 5 by 12 plus 1 by 12. Okay, so the question is 1 by 6 plus 3 by 12 plus 5 by 12. So when you have a question like this way, if there are the 3 fractions and 2 of them are same and one is different, okay, how the 2 of them are same? Their denominators are same. Okay, their denominators are same. So the 2 denominators are same, so we make the third denominator equals to that. So sometime we are always multiply and divide that fraction with the same number to make equal the remaining 2. So how can we multiply and divide? So look at here in this question, this is 1 by 6, 3 by 12 and 5 by 12. This 12 and 12 in both of the fraction are same, so we make 1 by 6 equals to the only the denominator equals to the 12. So how can 1 by 6 equals to the denominator only 12? How is that possible? 6 times which number? Then you get the answer 12. As we know that 6 times 2 is 12, so we multiply and divide 2 on the top as well as on the bottom. Okay, so here we're gonna put it like this way: 1 times 2 for this top, then 6 times 2. 2 and 2, we are multiplying 2 and dividing with 2 for this first fraction, both of it on the top as well as on the bottom. Remaining, we are putting the same 3 by 12 plus 5 by 12. Okay, so 2 times 1 is 2, 6 times 2 is 12. Now here 3 by 12, and then here 5 by 12. These 12 and 12 are same for all of it. So what we do, we are just going to put the 112 here in the bottom. So I'm putting it out here 112 and just adding their top numbers 2 plus 3 and plus 5. So what is the answer of 2 plus 3 plus 5? That is 10 over 12, and this is your answer. These are the basically three fractions. So how can we solve it? We are just going to check if these two are same, so we make the third one equal to this. How to become equal? Just multiplying any number. So 6 times 2 is 12, so multiply 2 and divide on top as well as on the bottom. Okay, now let's do the one more question. For example, here is 2 by 3 plus 5 by 15 plus 7 by 15. Now look at here the question. This is 2 by 3, 5 by 15 and 3 by 15. So both of the fractions have same denominators like 15 and 15, and third one is different, which is 3. So we make this third one equals to that. So how to become equal? We are multiplying 3 with the number, then you get the answer 15. So 3 times which number is 15? Think about it everyone, and then just tell me in the chat like which number we are going to multiply and divide the first term 2 by 3. We are multiplying 2 by 3 with the 5 on the top as well as on the bottom. So let's do it. Here it's 2 by 3 multiply and divide with 5. Okay, and then just the remaining numbers are same, 5 by 15, 7 by 15. Okay, 2 times 5 is 10, 3 times 5 is 15. Look, it's 15, then 5 by 15, then 7 by 15. Now the next step is just to add. So putting only one denominator here, that is a 15, adding the top numbers 10 plus 5 plus 7. So 7 plus 5 is, or 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 7 is 22. So here the answer is 22 over 15. Okay, now let's do the test questions. 1 by 4, 1 by 4 plus 3 by 8. So it's 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 8. As we can see, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4, both of it are 4, 4. But third one is 8. So we make third one equals to that. But third one is greater as compared to the both of it. So we are going to multiply these two and then to get the answer equals to third one. 4 times which number is 8? 4 times 2 is 8. So how can we solve it? We are going to check. Multiply 1 by 4 with the 2. Here is the same number, so this is the same multiplication. Okay. and 3 by 8 is same. 2 times 1 is 2, 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2, 4 times 2 is 8. And here is 3 by 8. Now let's do it. 8, 8 and 8 is same, so putting only one 8 here, adding their top numbers only. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7 over 8. And then let's check, is there any answer for 7 by 8? Yes, it's here. 1 by 10, 1 by 5, 2 by 5. Okay, you guys solve this question. 1 by 10, 1 by 5, 2 by 5. Is this the question? Yes, 1 by 10, 1 by 5, 2 by 5. Now you guys tell me the answer of this. Solve this question and then tell me the answer of that one. 1 by 10 plus 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5. Everyone tell me the answer in the chat. I'm not going to solve this. I will not solve this one. You guys solve it and then tell me the answer. I will just tell you this thing. Here it's two denominators are same, which is 5 and 5. But the third one is 10, that is greater in both of it. So we make these two equals to that 10. Okay, so multiply and divide which number, then you get the answer. 5 times which number is 10? 2. Multiply and divide with the 2, both the terms, second and second. Basically second term is multiply and the last term is multiplication, with the 2 on the top as well as on the bottom. Then just multiplication and add up and then tell me. So 1 by 10 is same. 1 by 5 is multiply with the 2. What's the answer? 2 by 10. And then 2 by 5 is multiply with the 5, or with the 2, sorry. That is 4 by 10. Okay. Then you guys just putting only one denominator and add their numerators. So I'm going to put it here. 1 by 10 is same. So for 1 by 5, multiply and divide with the 2. 2 by 5, multiply and divide with the 2. Okay. So 1 by 10 plus 2 by 10 plus 4 by 10. Putting 10 here, putting 1 plus 2 plus 4. 7 by 10. Here is the option for 7 by 10. Okay. Then let's just click and check our answer is right. So here is 2 by 9 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. How it becomes equal? 2 by 9 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Is that a question? Yeah. So solve it and then tell me. 2 by 9 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Solve it, everyone. Then tell me in the chat. 2 by 9 plus 1 by 3 and plus 1 by 3. 2 by 9 is still same. Here is 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. Both the numbers, both the digits are same. But still we are going to make these both equals to the 9 because 9 is greater and these numbers are less. So multiply and divide with which number, then you get the answer 9 in the denominator. 3 times which number is answer is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, so both the numbers are multiplied with the 3 on the top as well as on the bottom. So 1 by 3 is multiply and divide with 3. What's the answer? That is 3 by 9. And the second answer is also 3 by 9. Yes. Like this way. 1 times 3 over 3 times 3 plus 1 times 3 times 3 and times 3. So 2 by 9 is here. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, now putting 9 here. This is same in all of it. Adding their top numbers. 2 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 2, 8 over 9. Let's check. Is there any answer for 8 by 9? Yes, it's on here. What's your answer? It's, yeah, 3 by 9. You are going to do the right way. So this is the answer 8 by 9. Okay, now look at here this one. 1 by 9. Let's do it. 1 by 9 plus 1 by 3 plus 4 by 9. Okay. So look at here in this one. In that question, both the denominators are 9. Only one is 3. Okay. Two denominators are 9. Only one denominator is 3. So we're gonna make only this one 3 equals to these both of it. Okay, because these both are greater, so we combine it like this way. 1 by 9 plus 4 by 9 plus 1 by 3. This 3 is less. This 3 is not big, like we are going to make equals to that one. So it's simplification. We are just going to multiply and divide with which number, with the 1 by 3. Then you get the denominator 9. So we are going to multiply and divide with 3. Okay, 3 times 3 is 9. Then we get the answer. So putting 1 by 9 here, 4 by 9 here, then 3 by 9. Okay, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9. Now just putting 9, adding the top numbers, 1 plus 4 plus 3. That is 8 over 9. Let's see the answer. Yeah, it's option B. That is 8 by 9. So 1 by 6, 1 by 6 plus 7 by 12. 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 7 by 12. Okay, now look in this one. This is the same, just like not the previous, but these both two that are 6 and 6. But when we see the greater number, that is a 12. Okay, when we see the third number that is greater, which is 12. So what we do, we're gonna make these smaller numbers 6 and 6 equals to the 12. So how it becomes equals to the 12? We are going to multiply and divide with the number that is 2. 6 times 2 is 12. That's the reason we are going to multiply and divide 1 by 6 with 2 and 2, 1 by 6 with 2 and 2, plus 7 by 12. So 2 by 12, 2 by 12 plus 7 by 12. Why it's 2 by 2 times 1 is 2, 6 times 2 is 12. 2 times 1 is 2, 6 times 2 is 12. So for now, 12 is here. It's 2 plus 2 plus 7. So it's 4 plus 7, that is 11 over 12. Let's see the answer. Yeah, it's here, 11 over 12. Now 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2. Now look, the third number is lower, that is a smaller number. So what we do for that, we are just going to make these bigger number as it is, these both same number as it is, multiply and divide 1 by 2 with which number? With 3, because 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, so 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 3 by 6. Now putting 6 here, adding their top numbers, that is 5 by 6. Okay, let's see the answer. Hope you guys understand this lesson. So today we covered the grade 4 maths, add and subtract the fractions with unlike denominators, and here are the list of the lessons. These 4 lessons today we covered. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudent.com, and if you still need any help in any of the question, then you can contact tutors. How can you contact? You are just using the live chat button where it's available. It's available on the A plus website. Okay, open your A plus website, then here is the chat button, this one. Click this and open this, putting your department, in which department you need help with, putting your name, and then just send. Then in this way you are directly contacting to tutors. Then for now, have a great day, you all. Bye.